Hey, just thought I'd make another video of what I've been doing, my progress on the 1965 Mustang. I've cut out obviously this back panel here, tail light panel right there, and then these drop downs, trunk drop downs here, they were pretty messed up. This side wasn't so bad over here, but this side over here I could see where someone had been in there, put some filler in there, and it's also pretty well ate up down in here. And this outer wheel here looks like there's going to have to be a section cut out here and put it back in. Wasn't too bad getting out these parts. Just had to take my time, use the grinding wheel and grind them spot welds down. Seemed to do a pretty good job, and then I came back after I took out all this and put on some rust treatment on the rusted areas there. Don't know a whole lot what's best or what isn't, but I was told this was okay, so thought I'd try this. Put on about 3 coats. Really turned real dark black in here. Thought this looked pretty good in here, but then once I can't push through it, but it pitted pretty bad. So I'm thinking I might just go ahead and cut this out and replace it, even though it's not all the way through. I don't see anything. I need to sand on the back side, see if I see any, I guess some discoloration on the metal back there like it's about to come through, but it looks kind of pitted pretty good, especially this area right here. So I'm thinking about replacing this back quarter here. Just this looks pretty good. Well, I'll take that back. Looks like there's something right there that's kind of rusted away. So I might just try to fabricate something up there and fix that. That shouldn't be too bad. I'm thinking about when I put these drop downs in here, I think I'm gonna have to go around where there's spot welds that were all through here, all the way up here. I think what I'm gonna have to do, and if anybody else has something better, please comment, but I'm thinking I'm gonna have to drill through this from the wheelhouse side, and then when I put this panel in here, go ahead and tack weld it in from the wheel well side, is what I'm thinking I'm gonna have to do. So I don't think that'll be too bad. Just kind of sand this down, just kind of put that rust treatment on this here. Like I seen on Cobra Fanatic, when he was doing his, he suggested just take out those spot welds on that and just bend it back, which seemed to work out pretty good, and they'll be there when I need to put it back. They'll be in the same spot. So I think that was a good idea. I got that from Cobra Fanatic. I appreciate that. But I got the parts in Mustangs Unlimited. They had, of course, I live here in Georgia, but they seem to have it here within 2 days to my door. The parts. There's the drop downs for the trunk. That's your left hand side, and the right side, passenger side, right there. I went ahead and picked up the quarter patches also. I got both sides. I guess you call them the wheelhouse patch panels, left and right. Also got the tail light panel. I went ahead and spent the extra money and got the actual original Ford tooling on there. Of course, I think it's about $30 more, but I put it back onto the back here, just set it on there, and it pretty much lined up perfect. It locked right down into these lips. Right here, I had to slip it over the top of the lip and then slip it down. And it locked right in there because it just kind of popped right up under here. And I had a little time getting it off there, but I think that'll fit in pretty good. I also picked up, you know, the rear trunk floor cross member right here. Put that in. The other one was rusted pretty bad, so I'll go ahead and replace that also. And then these little I guess you'd call them the these would be the wheelhouse patch panels, and then these would be your quarter patch panels. So I just got one for both sides because I don't know what I'm going to get into, and I have a feeling I'm going to need some on both sides. So just went ahead and got that. So I guess I will get back on it. I had my oldest son's graduation this weekend, and had some things we had to do with him, and had a little party for him, and just didn't get time to work on this. So I guess I'll try to get on this here at least by next weekend. So, but I thought I'd just make a quick video and let you see what I've been doing. So I guess I'll talk to you later. Appreciate it. Thank you.